Advisor to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Syeda Rizwana Hassan, claimed that the mass uprising was not for the election and said that the interim government also wants elections. But prior to that, reforms are being given importance. She said this is a briefing at the Ministry of Environment at the Secretariat on Monday. Syeda Rizwana Hassan said that whether this government will implement the reform program can be said after the submission of recommendations. He also said that the Reform Commission will submit recommendation in December. This government has only been in office for 3 months. Political parties also do not seem to want elections now. Earlier, she said illegally 700 acres of forest land was allotted in Cox's Bazar for Sheikh Mujib Public Administration Academy based on the application of the Ministry of Environment. The Ministry of Land cancelled this allocation.